Once you have freshly ground beans in the filter basket, it's time to tamp and trim. First, tap the portafilter several times and distribute the coffee evenly. Then, tamp down firmly. As a guide, the top edge of the metal cap on the tamper should be level with the top of the filter basket after the coffee is being tamped. Then, use the razor to trim for the perfect dose. Now, it's time to trim the dose. Insert the razor trimming tool into the filter basket until the shoulders of the tool rest on the rim of the basket. Rotate the razor trimming tool back and forth while holding the portafilter at an angle over a knockbox to trim off excess coffee grinds. Your filter basket is now dosed with the correct amount of coffee and is ready for use.